Hi friends, this is Ashtamakil. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to do the unboxing of OnePlus 60 mobile phone. Friends, I have bought this phone from Amazon and this is the bill of the Amazon. And you can see the price. It cost about 38,000 in Amazon. And friends, this mobile is of 128GB variant and this is a box of OnePlus 60. Just I am removing this cover. And you can clearly see now OnePlus 60 box. And friends, here you can see it is of RAM 6GB and internal storage 128GB. And friends, without wasting any time, let's open the box. And friends, here you can see the mobile. And this is the mobile. And keeping this aside, let's see what inside the box. And you can see here dash charger, and you can see the USB cable, and you can see this, it is packed neatly with 2 strips, and inside we have a jack. Just we can open and see it. And we have a dash charger. And friends, here we have a box. Let's open this box. And friends, inside the box we'll have this pouch, which we can fit this pouch to the phone. And friends, in this we'll have user manual. And friends, we'll have ejection pin also. And friends, these are the items we'll get in the box: charger and this jack and this USB cable and one pouch and ejection cable and a user manual in the box. And friends, let's keep this aside and see about the phone. And friends, this is the phone. You can have a clear view. It comes with dual cam. And friends, this phone comes with dual SIM slot. And friends, let's on this mobile and see it. And friends, I already booted this phone and did all the settings in my phone.
Yeah.
And friends, here you can see 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Friends, it comes with Snapdragon 845 processor and camera 16MP plus 20MP dual camera and screen optic AMOLED 6.41 display. And friends, this phone is very good and the screen resolution is very good and battery backup also very good. And friends, we'll have Face ID in this phone. And friends, that's all about my video. Thank you so much for watching.